here in Florida. See, we're going to mow a little bit more. We'll go this way. Up here, up there. Go back up. Then we'll go over this way. Get the rest of this over here. They basically mow back and forth if you can, but some lawns you can't do that because of the shape of the yard. The shape of the yard you can't mow back and forth because all yards have different shapes and sizes. So we're going to do this now. Mow the rest of this one. Show you a little more, just a little tiny bit more of the video here. So I can make this into a full video too. Okay, that's a good lawnmower, really good lawnmower. I really like this tractor a lot. You can get small places that the big tractor can't get into. And it works great in mowing yard. I have a bag, on the back to catch the debris. It's got a mulching plate on, so it mulches and cuts the grass up real fine. I'm going to take the bag off pretty soon for the summer so that I can put